Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
To apply for a passport for a child, you need to fill out Form DS-11, which is available online or at your local passport acceptance facility. Both parents, guardians must appear in person with the child to submit the application, or provide notarized consent from the absent parent. Remember to bring original or certified copies of the child's birth certificate or guardianship documents, government-issued IDs of the parents, guardians, one passport photo of the child, and the application fee. Check the official website of your country's passport authority for specific requirements and to schedule an appointment if necessary.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.